Every journey begins at the gate, where raw coconuts arrive in bulk.
They are first transferred to the receiving line, where the process begins. Each batch is weighed to ensure consistent production flow.
Quality control begins with a visual inspection for defects.
Metal contaminants are removed before the coconuts enter processing.
A thorough wash removes dirt, dust, and husk residue.
Drying prepares the shell for the next stage of separation.
Cooling stabilizes the shells for safe handling.
Now the husk is removed, revealing the hard shell beneath. A precise crack separates the shell, keeping the meat intact.
Fresh coconut water is collected for separate processing. Now the halves are washed again, ready for the next stage of extraction.
Clean halves move onward, still wet from the final wash.
Each half is inspected to ensure only high-quality meat enters extraction.
Rotating blades gently separate the meat from the shell.
Skilled hands ensure no meat is left behind.
The meat is sent to grinding, where it becomes a fine paste.
Grinding transforms the meat into a smooth coconut paste.
The paste is held at precise temperatures to maintain freshness.
Screening removes fibers, leaving a smoother paste.
Fibers are collected and compacted for secondary uses. Next, centrifugation separates oil and water from the meat paste.
High-speed separation isolates the coconut oil from the paste.
Oil is collected and stored under controlled conditions. The remaining paste is sent onward for further processing.
Samples are taken to ensure each batch meets quality standards.
The paste is spread and fed into the dryer to remove moisture.
The flakes cool down before further processing.
Sieving separates fine powder from larger flakes.
The powder is milled into fine coconut flour for baking and food use.
Flour is stored in silos to maintain dryness and prevent contamination.
Dust is controlled through filtration to keep the environment safe.
Regular testing ensures the flour stays within moisture limits. The flour is packed and sealed with batch traceability. Weight checks confirm each bag meets the required standard.
Pallets move onward, ready for storage or shipping.
The raw oil begins its journey into the refining line. Degumming removes impurities that affect oil stability.
Neutralization balances acidity, improving oil quality. Washing removes residual chemicals and impurities. Dehydration ensures the oil is free from moisture.
Filtration removes the smallest particles for clarity.
Polishing enhances the oil's color and scent.
Virgin oil is produced separately through cold pressing.
Each batch is tested to ensure purity and quality standards.
Blending creates the final oil formulation for packaging.
The filling line is prepared for precise bottle packaging.
Each bottle is filled with exact volumes for consistency.
Caps seal the product, locking in freshness for the next stage.
Labels are printed with batch information for full traceability.
Labels are applied precisely to maintain brand consistency.
Boxes are formed and prepared for the packing stage.
Bottles are packed securely to withstand transport.
Batch codes are printed and scanned for traceability.
Cases are aligned and prepared for pallet stacking.
Wrapping secures the pallet for storage and transport.
Shell waste is repurposed into charcoal for sustainability.
Controlled heat transforms shells into charcoal. Charcoal is cooled and crushed into usable granules. The byproduct becomes a new product, ready for sale.
Byproducts are palletized and moved to storage, completing the secondary line.
Coconut water is stored in sterile tanks, ready for processing.
UV sterilization kills microorganisms without chemicals.
Flavoring is added to create a consistent beverage profile.
The bottling line is prepared for the coconut water beverage.
Each bottle is filled precisely to ensure consistent volume. Labels provide transparency and compliance information.
Coconut milk is produced by blending paste with water and homogenizing.
High pressure creates a stable, creamy emulsion.
Pasteurization ensures safety by eliminating harmful bacteria.
Chilled holding keeps the milk fresh before filling.
Sanitization is critical before bottling the milk. Each bottle is filled and sealed with precision.
Bottles are packed into cartons, ready for palletizing.
Finished cartons are guided toward the palletizing area.
Pallets are stored methodically for easy retrieval. Inventory is tracked digitally to maintain accuracy. Pallets are retrieved carefully to avoid damage.
A final inspection ensures every shipment is intact.
The dock is prepared to receive pallets for delivery.
Pallets are loaded efficiently to maximize space and safety. The finished product leaves the factory, ready for distribution.
Quality control is the backbone of modern food production.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing for safety and purity.
Microbial testing confirms the product is free from contamination.
Sensory evaluation ensures consistent taste and aroma.
PPE is checked and replaced to maintain a safe working environment.
Routine maintenance prevents breakdowns and ensures continuous production.
Clean and lubricated machines run smoother and last longer.
Regular drills ensure the team responds quickly in emergencies.
Sanitation keeps the factory hygienic and compliant. Wastewater is treated before being released, protecting the environment.
Continuous improvement drives efficiency and quality in every step.
With quality assured, the factory returns to steady production.
Renewable energy reduces the factory's carbon footprint.
Organic waste is converted into biogas for energy. Biogas powers machinery, reducing reliance on grid energy.
Waste is sorted for reuse instead of being discarded.
Husk fibers are baled for use in coir products and insulation.
Shells are reused to create charcoal, turning waste into value.
Compressed air is maintained to reduce energy waste. Recycling ensures materials are reused instead of landfilled. Emissions are monitored to keep the factory within regulations.
Sustainable materials reduce the environmental impact of packaging.
Training keeps the workforce aligned with sustainability goals.
Green spaces demonstrate the factory's commitment to nature.
Finished products gather in the staging area, ready for distribution.
Shipping is coordinated to ensure timely delivery.
Documentation ensures traceability from factory to customer. Products leave the factory, beginning their journey to consumers. From the factory to retail, the supply chain continues.
Coconut oil reaches the kitchen, ready to be used.
Coconut water refreshes, straight from the processing line.
Coconut flour becomes the base of new culinary creations.
Even the byproducts find purpose, fueling everyday life.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut products from start to finish.
Comment what's next.